Hi guys, we're launching our new program for CAT, SNAP and MET, all the main exams which you want to target. And in case you want to join us for the complete program or only for the books, mock, shortcuts, just call the numbers given here and my team will help you. Hi guys, today we look at all the colleges which have an average salary of 15 lakh. Fine, of course this is a CTC, that's not in hand. 15 lakh का अगर आपका CTC है, in hand will be around into 0.7. Into 70% of that you will get in hand. So around 95,000 per month tak ka package you can get. Okay, so there's a difference between a CTC and in hand. So 15 lakh ka package if you want. So we have a lot of colleges here in this list, and according to my belief, almost 10 to 15,000 students are going to get a 15 lakh package, which is a huge number here. Out of 2 lakh log which are going to give CAT, SNAP and MET all the exams, I'm keeping the tentative number, the unique numbers. So my NMET is the first exam. Yes, I can give NMET ka exam. Average salary of Narsi Monji 18 lakh. Then of course CAT, we have got all the IIMs, all the IITs, SPJN, MDI, Gurgaon, और भी कॉलेज बचा गया 15 लाख के ऊपर. IMT गाजियाबाद दे बट 14 lakh. IIT में IIT Mumbai, Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, all the 3 campuses. IFT is there. Yes, you can target IFT. IFT have average salary of 15 lakh plus. SNAP ke through there are 2 colleges, SIBM, SCM HRD. IBSET, no college with the average salary of 15. See, topper might be getting 15 plus average. ZAT, XLRI, yes, we have XLRI, we have XIMB, 2 colleges with the average salary of 15 plus. TIS is starting to social science Mumbai, have average salary of 20 lakh. CMAT ke through no college with that package. At moment nahi, CET. Then CET contain 2 college, JB and Sidnam. Sidnam ka average will be slightly less, but मैं चलो 2 में count कर रहा हूँ. So these are the options we have. NM 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now of course IIMs there are 20 IIMs, so this become 19 और add कर दो, तो 13 में 22. IITs में 3 IIT है, 23, 24. So मोटा there are 25 colleges. If I missed anything, please do comment. 15 colleges are there in India which have an average salary of more than 15 lakhs. बाकी बॉर्डर वाले IMT गाजियाबाद which could not make, वो भी लिख देते हैं तो कमेंट आएगा IMT गाजियाबाद कैसे छोड़ दिया आपने. So IMT गाजियाबाद, other IITs, fine. So SIB, they're all 14, 13 के आजू बाजू average, so not counting them. Fine. So we have almost 25 colleges in the list to focus on. All the best. So we're launching a program. In case you want to join, just call the numbers given here. My team will be more than happy to help you out. So we're launching a program which we're going to target all these exams. Okay, all exams. G100 program is called, in which we're going to target all exams. All the best.